Being part of the local innovation economy is something that we've been a part of genuinely for 14 years. Between 1 and 4 customers come to us that actually have this new innovative idea, this new product they want to take to market, and genuinely 25% of our customers are small businesses, they're startups and entrepreneurs. We've spent a lot of time, money and resources on really developing our team culture. So it's not just a push from the business owner or the owners or the managers. It's got to come from within. There's got to be a push-pull approach. Right now, we've noticed that all we've really done is use our intellectual property to create other intellectual property. So effectively, someone comes to us with their idea, we use our intellectual property, create intellectual property for them, and then they're our customer and we manufacture for them. So being able to pivot as a business from not just a contract manufacturer, but being able to have our own proprietary products and leveraging our relationship. Incredible work actually working on some recycled opportunities. So for the last 6 to 9 months in particular, we've worked very heavily with manufacturers of recycled polymers, and we've developed products in line with recycled materials. Now that's pretty exciting. Now we've done that from a contract perspective, but we're also doing it now from a proprietary perspective. The future for us at B&C Plastics for the next 3 years is pretty exciting. We are talking about growth and scaling up. And this is all documented within our painted picture. Our painted picture is basically a 3-year business plan. This talks about our own proprietary products. It talks about using a circular economy with recycled material and adding technology. It's pretty exciting. Watch this space.